Hi, I'm Franz, and let's see how to make a gradient, how to work with gradient tool in Krita. So let us draw some picture like this and select it. And you see here gradient tool. When we click on it, we will do the gradient, but we have first to select the gradient, so it will be left click on this icon and you can see a lot of gradients. So you can choose one of them, this for example, you can edit it. It's like to slide those sliders, and you can choose the colors for every section, opacity, and then when you did your choice, click OK, and I'm holding left click of my mouse and doing this line, or it can be this way or that way. You can change the gradient, click on this box and choose another one and do it again, everything. Okay, that's it. Thank you.